has issued a special marine warning for Lower New York Harbor, Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles until 4:45 p.m. At 4:18 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Sandy Hook Bay, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly high winds and suddenly high waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near Rockaway Inlet around 4:30 p.m. Island Park, Barnum Island and Middle Bay around 4:45 p.m. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following marine locations: New York Harbor and Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Here is the forecast. County in southeastern New York until 5:30 p.m. At 4:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Rocky Point, or near Middle Island, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. This severe thunderstorm will be near Wading River around 4:55 p.m. Calverton around 5 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Sound Avenue, Sound Beach, Jamesport, Aquabog, Miller Place, Shoreman Ridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties: Suffolk, New York. The National Weather Service in New York has issued a special marine warning for Fire Island Inlet, New York to Moriches Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles until 5:30 p.m. At 4:49 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Jones Inlet, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 45 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly high winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following marine locations: Fire Island Inlet, New York to Moriches Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. At Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Post-tropical. Jersey to Cape Henlopen, Delaware out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Great Egg Inlet to Cape May, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Little Egg Inlet to Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. Delaware Bay waters south of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware. Waters from Cape May, New Jersey to Fenwick Island, Delaware out 20 to 40 nautical miles. Waters from Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey to Cape May, New Jersey out 20 to 40 nautical miles. Waters from Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey to Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 to 40 NMY from 20 to 40 nautical miles. Waters from Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 to 40 nautical miles. Waters from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey out 20 to 40 nautical miles until 7 p.m. At 5:05 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located just west of Atlantic City, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly high winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Ocean Gate, Cape May Point, Little Egg Reef, Great Egg Reef, Atlantic City Reef, 28-mile wreck, Ship Bottom, Manasquan Inlet, Harvey Cedars, Great Egg Inlet, Shark River Reef, Axel Carlson Reef, Sea Isle City, Garden State South Reef, Seaside Park, Pine Beach, Cedar Reef, Wildwood Reef and Cape Henlopen. Move to safe harbor as gusty winds and highways are expected. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following marine locations. Coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey out 20 to 40 nautical miles. And waters from Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 to 40 nautical miles. Here's a short New York has issued a special marine warning for Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Moriches Inlet, New York out 40 nautical miles until 6:15 p.m. At 5:18 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Fire Island Inlet to near Shark River Reef, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly high winds and suddenly high waves. Locations impacted include buoy 44025. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following marine locations. Fire Island Inlet, New York to Moriches Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Fire Island Inlet, New York to Moriches Inlet, New York from 20 to 40 nautical miles. And waters from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York from 20 to 40 nautical miles.